thought we were done with videos. I thought we were making a new fresh start with life.
It's been about 6 weeks.
Has it been that long?
Yes, we're no longer in Virginia. Hi again. It's been a while. We're in another state. There's mountains over there. But okay, so we've driven across the country. That was fun. We've been boxing, and so that's not been fun. I did about 30 boxes yesterday in 8 hours. I am done with moving. But today we thought, hey, we haven't done enough unboxing of our own. Let's get a box from Disney World and unbox that for a video. So that's what we're gonna do today.
So last time we were at Disney World, Michelle convinced me, it's time.
You're being all serious again.
I'm sorry, we'll try again. Okay, so are you gonna cut this?
No, I think I'm gonna leave it.
Oh my god. Okay, so last time we were at Disney World, Michelle said, "Oh, wouldn't it be nice to have these the Disney plates?" And okay, fine,
Okay, let's show what he's talking about. The Mickey icon plates, because we've been married over 10 years and we've never had a nice
So in
set
other
of
words,
dishes.
what I've given her has not been good enough. So now it's time for the mouse to do it.
Grown-up dishes.
Oh yeah, that's real grown-up.
Oh, it's just very simple.
We're going to invite people over to our house, or not, and then they're going to think there's a problem. All right? So our friends, thank you, Dana, thank you, Matt, decided to buy it and ship it to us. We paid them back. Matt, you have your money. Stop complaining.
Disney assured them that they would do some very magical packing and handle it with care. And
to make sure that they weren't going to break. So I think if we look at the receipt, we only bought 20 plates total. Right?
Okay, yeah, 20 plates and bowls.
8 big plates, 8 bowls, and 4 of the little dessert plates because we already owned 4 of them. So, and to give you reference, this is what 3 of them would look like if they were stacked. So you would expect a box to be normal human-sized.
Yeah, I was, expecting a very compact box. So we're gonna cut over to the actual box.
Let's see what we actually got
from Disney. So here you go. Here is the box Disney sent us in the mail, full of Disney magic.
20 dishes. There's only 20 in here.
Yeah. Maybe they doubled it.
No, we're
definitely
not that
more
lucky.
dishes.
We never received pixie dust from Disney.
Each one is like, yeah.
But here, come stand next to the box, buddy. Okay, so I'm panning down again so you can see. There's
in
my
case you
child.
can't see where it says here, it's hard to read. It says handle with care, fragile.
And as you can see, FedEx, UPS, whoever delivered
Be careful
it
with the box. Don't tip the magic.
Very careful with it. But
each one of them has been hand-kissed by a Tinkerbell or whatever. I don't know, something. Hugged by Olaf, whatever you want. All right, do we get to open it?
Yeah, open it.
All right, we're doing unboxing now.
No.
Yeah,
I thought you liked
unboxing
unboxing
enough.
videos.
You guys.
I don't think I ever said that.
As you can see, Adrian is doing it with care.
Wow, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now I think that we need to dangle the child in to get down to where the plates are. Or can you reach them?
I'll just do these later.
Thank goodness those are recyclable because I thought Disney was trying to be green. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. Oh, okay, child.
Okay.
We know we've lived here before. We know we're at the emergency rooms, but let's not go one just yet. Oh, and the cat.
Wait,
has to get
brace
in.
yourself for it. All right.
Where's the plate?
All right.
Wow, all of this.
Oh, one of the plates we already have.
One
plate.
By the way, what you're seeing on the ground here, this is what the rest of our house looks like. The kitchen is the one clean area.
The internet doesn't want to watch us open every plate, right?
No. We're going to show them each one. So, and
each type, right?
Each type, yes.
All
No,
right.
we're not going to show them all
Behold,
20.
the big
Here.
one.
This is called the
find a bowl.
So when our parents or someone else comes over to visit, you're gonna be real proud of us, right?
Okay, no talking on the camera.
That's Betty.
Okay, oh, you did find a bowl.
I know how to eat. I know what bowls are. Alright? Alright, and now?
Now we got the bowl.
The bull.
A bowl.
Alright, come in closer.
Like do like a camera pan or something.
It doesn't, the quality isn't as good when you do that. Okay, we're not gonna, like we said, unbox each one, but here we can show them.
We definitely are gonna unbox each
No,
one.
we're not doing, that's gonna take like 20 minutes. Whoops. Okay, I'm losing the camera here. Okay, but there you go, you can see they were all the way down in the very bottom of the box.
That was a lot of
It was. There you go, buddy. Have fun.
Whoa.
Well, I'm glad the cat will have fun with that. Okay, so I was just on hold with Disney, so the boys have been snacking because that was 10 minutes of listening to theme park music. We received a shattered bowl and a plate that was broken clean in half, and so I called to see if I really needed to ship back the damaged merchandise.
Do people really care about this?
Yeah.
It's
They
such a,
want to know if they're going to pay $20 to ship from the parks.
it's a really big box. I'm really disappointed.
Did you want to pay to ship broken merchandise back?
I don't want to pay for shipping at all.
Okay, well, you did. So, anyway, so, yeah, I just have to send a photo of the receipt and of the broken merchandise, and then they're going to send our replacement in about 10 to 15 days.
Look at the pretty ones.
Okay, look at, yes.
There's a complete set. Look, I did a hidden Mickey.
The hidden Mickey. That is, okay.
I'm so proud of myself.
We're tired. We've been unpacking.
This is what you're getting.
This is the
all you
best
get.
we have. This is why you haven't seen us in over a month.
We'll clean up real good, we promise. Give us a couple weeks.
Yeah, give maybe a month. Okay, child. Okay, and as you can see, yeah, there's a jumbled mess and boxes over there. That's our life. Oh, that's right. You don't have. Okay, just do your thing.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And also don't let me look at the camera right now.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, hey, can you say bye?
Bye!
And there's our kitchen. That's what it looks like. All right, say bye, Adrian.
Bye.
As you can see, he's been working hard to help us unpack. Oh no, I woke him up. Or the kids stomping around woke him up. Go back to sleep, this if it's over.